right, we're clear for extraction. Team, start digging the front GUR. That should distribute the weight.
Okay, I'll secure the front strap. Ready on your side. Okay, pull harder on your side.
It's stuck on the wood. Wait, I got it.
All right, keep it coming, almost there. Taking the strain now, watch the starboard sling. It's holding, keep it slow. Almost there. How does that look? Dead center. Lock it down. Bolts are cleared, ready on your side.
Okay, let's pull it free. I can't get this bolt to turn. Are you getting any separation with the pry bar?
Just barely. Keep going, I think we are almost there. Bolts are loose. Gently tap it out. It's moving. I'll take this one and put it on the organizer.
Check the trailing edge alignment. Looks good to me.
Confirmed. We have symmetry.
Okay, that should be tight enough. Spin it.
Rolling smooth. Bearings are good. Keep pulling, make sure it clears the edge.
All right, how does that look for alignment?
A little more to the left. That's the first sleeve swaged.
Pass the gauge over it and let's check the tension. Is the alignment mark visible yet?
Almost there, just a little further in.
Okay, it's seated. Hand me the mallet.
Lift slow, make sure the mounts align with the firewall ring.
They're clear, keep coming back just a fraction.